I see a world of beauty. I touch, I feel. I feel the world around so real. And everything I do, I dedicate to you. 'Cause you made me, I am for you. I listen, I hear the words of God so clear. I read, I know. It helps my knowledge grow. And everything we do, we dedicate to you. 'Cause you made us, we are for you. I listen, I hear. He sent the prophet to show us the way. He made religion perfect that day. Peace be upon him we pray. Salatullah.